Is your roofer checking the decking underneath your roofing? So what you want to make sure to do is when we pull off the roof, we inspect all the wood, check for soft spots, any wood rot. It's very important that new wood is replaced as needed to ensure that the new material that's going on is going to be adhering properly and to keep your home safe from any previous leaks where there was rot, to avoid any leakage or any mold. So if you're looking for a reliable roofer to make sure that your decking is as good as condition as your new roof, give Arizona Pristine Roofing a call and we will make sure that your roof is taken care of. Arizona Pristine Roofing, pristine results.